Hi guys, this is a sneaky one. This is my friend's garden, and this is called Mother Nature's Son. It's Paul McCartney's song. Born a poor young country boy, Mother Nature's son. All day long, sitting singing songs for everyone. Mother Nature's son. Mother Nature's son. Sat beside a mountain stream, see her waters rise, listen to the pretty sound of music as she flies. Mother Nature's son. Mother Nature's son. Do 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 Mother Nature's son. Mother Nature's son. Find me in my field of grass. Mother Nature's son. Swaying daisies, how they sing a lazy song beneath the sun. Mother Nature's son. 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 This is the legendary Pete Coombs guitar from the Tourists. God bless you all. Stay safe.